Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking topic: why the metaverse is the future of work and how you can get rich from it. If you're curious about what the metaverse holds for the workplace and your bank account, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the metaverse? Think of it as a virtual universe where people can interact, work, and play. Imagine combining virtual reality, augmented reality, and the internet into one immersive experience. It's where our digital and physical worlds collide, and it's rapidly changing how we approach work. Now, let's explore why the metaverse is poised to revolutionize the workplace. Virtual collaboration. First up, virtual collaboration. In the metaverse, teams can meet in immersive environments that mimic real offices. No more awkward video calls, just natural interaction, as if you were sitting together. Global talent pool. Next, we have the global talent pool. Companies can hire the best talent from anywhere in the world. This diversity fosters creativity and innovation, which is crucial for any thriving business. Training and development. Training becomes a game changer. Imagine training programs that use VR to simulate real-life scenarios. Employees can practice skills in a risk-free environment, boosting their confidence and expertise. Flexible work environments. Flexibility is key. Employees can customize their virtual workspaces, making it a comfortable and productive environment tailored to their needs. New business models. Lastly, the metaverse introduces new business models. From virtual goods to immersive experiences, there are endless opportunities to create value. How to get rich from the metaverse. All right, now let's talk about the exciting part: how you can make money in the metaverse. Invest in virtual real estate. First, consider investing in virtual real estate. Platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox allow you to buy and sell digital land. As more users flock to the metaverse, the value of your virtual property could skyrocket. Create and sell digital goods. Next, if you have a flair for design, create and sell digital goods. Whether it's virtual fashion, accessories, or art, the demand is booming. Develop unique experiences. Think about developing unique experiences. From virtual concerts to educational workshops, these experiences can attract large audiences, generating revenue. Leverage cryptocurrency and NFTs. Don't forget about cryptocurrency and NFTs. Investing in the currencies used within the metaverse or creating and selling NFTs can be highly profitable. Start a virtual business. Finally, consider starting a virtual business. Whether it's consulting or e-commerce, adapting your skills to the metaverse can open new doors. The metaverse isn't just a buzzword. It's a transformative platform that's reshaping the future of work and creating incredible wealth opportunities. By embracing this evolution, you can position yourself for success in an ever-changing landscape. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What excites you most about the metaverse? Until next time, keep dreaming big